School mornings can go sideways before anyone even finds their shoes. And the strange part is that the problem is often not the kids, the clock, or your parenting. First, we will shift the most predictable choices out of the morning. Then we will give backpacks, shoes, forms, and water bottles one reliable place to land. After that, we will use a short checklist so kids are not depending on your voice for every step. Finally, we will make leaving the house feel like a finish line, not the start of another argument. Picture Maya, age 7. Breakfast is ready, the bus comes in 12 minutes, and the whole morning collapses because one library book and one left shoe are missing. The diagnostic test is simple. Write down the first 3 things you repeat every morning. Those are not reminders, they are routines that have not been built yet. The first routine is the 2-choice rule. 2 outfit options, 2 breakfast options, and 1 packed bag before bedtime. Choice stays, but the debate gets smaller. The mistake is trying to be flexible with every detail at 7 a.m. Flexibility feels kind, but too many open choices can make a tired child freeze. If one of these routines already sounds like your pressure point, save this and try only that one tomorrow morning. One working habit beats a perfect system that never starts. A launch pad can be a basket, a hook, a chair, or 1 square of floor near the door. The rule is that anything needed to leave goes there before sleep. Instead of asking, "Do you have everything?" ask, "Is your launch pad ready?" That one phrase turns a vague command into a visible job. Keep the morning checklist almost boring. Get dressed, eat, brush teeth, shoes on. If it needs more than 4 steps, it becomes another thing to manage. Build a 5-minute exit buffer and make the goodbye repeatable. Hug, phrase, door. The routine is not about rushing kids faster, it is about making the ending familiar. So the payoff is not a magical calm morning. It is fewer decisions, fewer searches, fewer repeated reminders, and a child who can see what comes next. Tell me which part of your school morning is hardest. Getting started, getting dressed, finding things, or getting out the door. I'm Dave, and small routines are often where calmer family days begin.